If you have Vivo V50 5G smartphone and you want to set your fingerprint lock, then this is the video for you. Open your settings, scroll down and then select security and privacy, then select device unlocking, then select fingerprint. Now if you're using any of your screen lock, for example pattern, pin or password, then you don't have to do that. You can skip this part, otherwise select pattern, pin or password. Here I'm selecting pattern. Draw your pattern, click on next and then confirm your pattern, click on OK. It will ask you to set your privacy setting. I'm selecting never show and then click on done. Now click on start enrollment. Click on agree. Now place your finger on the sensor and keep on tapping like this until it completely captures your finger. After this, click on done, and now you can simply unlock your smartphone with the help of your fingerprint like this.